Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to put profile picture on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to put a profile picture on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your Steam account as I have already logged in over here. Now in order to proceed to put profile picture on Steam from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a username available for us with the drop down arrow over here. At the top right, click on your username where I'm hovering right now. And when this drop down menu appears, click on the option that says view my profile over here. Click on view my profile and this kind of interface will appear for your profile on Steam. And over here you can see here's the button, it says edit profile. Will be required to click on the edit profile button over here and we'll land on this interface. Now in order to proceed to put a profile picture on Steam, you can see the avatar option is available for us over here just below the general at the left side. Click on that avatar button and you will be over here where you will be able to choose your profile picture for your Steam. And in order to proceed, you can see you can either choose the profile pictures from over here which Steam recommends, or you can just click on the upload your avatar and upload a picture over here whichever you want to make as your Steam profile. So for example guys, I'll be using this picture over here which I have screenshotted, and let's open it. And you can see guys, you will be able to choose your profile section over here of your picture. After choosing your picture over here, you can click the save button available for us over here. Click on the save button and then your profile picture will be uploaded on your Steam account. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to put a profile picture on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.